The big family in the little house. John didn't know what to do. He had a big family and he lived in a little house. He wasn't very happy. One day, he went to town. He wanted to talk to an old wise woman to help him. "Please help me," he said to the wise woman. "My wife and I have 6 children. We live in a very little house. 8 people in a few rooms. We can't live this way." The wise woman listened. She closed her eyes for a minute. Then she quietly asked John, "How many animals do you have?" "We have 8 animals. We have a horse, a cow, 2 pigs, and 4 chickens." "Good. Go home now," said the wise woman. "Take all your animals into the house with you." "Our animals? Are you sure?" said John. Although John didn't understand, but he went back home and did what the wise woman told him. He took the horse, the cow, the 2 pigs, and the 4 chickens inside his little house. The next week, he went back to the wise woman. He was very unhappy and even angry. "This is very bad," he said. "The animals eat our food. They fill our rooms. They sleep in our beds. We can't live this way." The wise woman closed her eyes again. Then she told John, "Okay, John, go home now. Take all the animals out of the house." John happily and quickly went home. He took the animals out of the house. The next day, he went back to the wise woman. This time, he is really happy. Thank you, John said to the old wise woman. "It's very different now without the animals. Now we can eat, we can sleep. Now we like our house. Thank you for your help. You are a very, very wise woman." The old wise woman closed her eyes and smiled. That's it for today. Thank you so much and see you.